Hi friends, welcome to Guru Gyanam. It's all about home science. This video is about introduction to home science. In this pandemic situation, I think this is the only way to teach you, and I think this is a new subject for you as you cleared your 10th board exam and entered in 11th class. So home science बहुत नया है आपके लिए, easy भी है और tough भी है. It depends कि आप इसको कैसे पढ़ रहे हो. There is so many misconception about home science. In this video, we will discuss about home science, what is home science, history of home science, importance of home science and areas of home science. So, be ready and just open your mind और ध्यान से सुनिए. So before watching this video, please like, share, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell button for further updates. So what is home science? Actually, what people think about home science? People think it is only cooking. It is all about cooking. बहुत से लोगों से मैंने ये सुना है, home science है, being a home science student, आपको कुकिंग अच्छी आनी चाहिए. It is about stitching, आप सिलाई अच्छी करते होंगे, चाइल्ड केयर अच्छे से करते हैं एंड क्लीनिंग, साफ सफाई अच्छे से करते होंगे. दिस इज द मिसकॉन्सेप्शन. पीपल थिंक about home science is only cooking, stitching, child care and cleaning of house or other household chores. But home science is not just cooking, stitching and all. It is more than this. So what is home science? Home science is a subject not only about home. It is multidisciplinary field that empower the students to improve their own quality of life and other members of the family also. Home science is the science of a home and it includes all the things that concern the person, home, family members and resources. It is the education for better living, and the core of this education is the family ecosystem. It also deals with reciprocal relations between the family and its natural and man-made environments. It aims at getting maximum satisfaction for the person and their family members through the efficient and scientific use of resources. So home science integrates the application of various science and humanities to improve human environment, family nutrition, management of resources and child development. As the time changes, there was a need to expand this field from being associated with household activity alone and a new nomenclature, human ecology and family sciences, has been given to home science. So now your subject is not just home science, its nomenclature is changed, that is human ecology and family science. So let's see what is human ecology and family sciences. The term human ecology as a branch of biology that deals with relations between the living organism and their environment, whereas the term family science deals with the interaction of human beings as their members of the family and society with the environment. So in class 11th curriculum, you will notice that particular attention has been paid to the stage of adolescence, as this period is known to be a turning point in one's life. आप सभी इसी एज के आसपास से गुजर रहे हैं. Adolescents develop an understanding of themselves and what role food and other resources, fabric and clothing, as well as communication plays in their lives. So this is human ecology and family science. Now, how home science develop or evolution of home science in India? The study of home science can be traced back to the British rule between 1920 to 1940. The rulers in that period introduced home science in some schools and colleges. It was initially known as domestic science and was first introduced in Maharani Girls High School, Baroda. So this is the first school for home science. Maharani Girls High School in Baroda. Later, the home science subject was introduced in various other states such as Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, etc. There are so many schools are there for home science. In the early 20th century, there was many institutions in different parts of the country that had introduced courses in food and nutrition, clothing and textile, as well as extension education. Lady Irwin College, Delhi, was first introduced home science as a degree program. Just remember, Lady Irwin College is the first college for degree course in home science. So, it was established in 1932. From 1938 onwards, Chennai University offered home science at the degree level. Queen Mary College and Women's Christian College at Chennai started home science in 1942. Since 1950, a degree program in home science was included at Coimbatore, Ludhiana, Mumbai, New Delhi, Udaipur, and Tirupati. Nowadays, there are so many institutes which offers graduation and post-graduation degrees in home science. So, before independence, many eminent women participated of the movement to liberate India. Clear? Among them were Sarojini Naidu, Rajkumari Amrit Kaur and Kamla Devi Chattopadhyay. You can see here Sarojini Naidu, Rajkumari Amrit Kaur and Kamla Devi Chattopadhyay. They stalwarts of the All India Women Conference who conceived of and established the Lady Irwin College. The British Viceroy in India at that time was Lord Irwin and his wife Lady Dorothy Irwin too supported the setting up the college. Hence, the college was set up in her name. So, what was the goal at that time? To serve the home and society with equal resolve as to remove social and educational inequalities that prevented women from reaching their potential. Because at that time बहुत ज़्यादा discrimination था between a male and female child. So the goal to open this college is to remove the inequalities at that time. Clear? Now, there is some misconception about home science. That is, it is for girls only, associated with gender. Clear? But it is not right. Home science is for everyone, for a girl or for boy, because everyone must know how to manage home scientifically. And another misconception is that it is associated with culinary skills and laundry and childcare. This is also a misconception, because not only we study about this, except how to wash clothes, we also study the chemical, the chemistry, the biochemistry of all these things. So this is also a misconception. सिर्फ culinary हमें सिर्फ cooking नहीं सिखाते हैं, कुकिंग के साथ साथ हम ज़्यादा ये सीखते हैं कौन सा न्यूट्रिएंट्स किसको कितनी क्वांटिटी में देना है. तो दैट इज अबाउट दैट ओनली. क्लियर? Scope of the home science. Home science is an interdisciplinary field of knowledge with focus on food and nutrition, fabric and apparel designing, human development, resource management, and communication and extension. Home science is the application of many sciences and arts towards achieving better, healthier, and happier homes. What are the importance of home science? The knowledge of home science improves the quality of life. It helps in the best utilization of resources to get maximum satisfaction and return. Teaches the application of modern science and technology to improve domestic life. It helps to improve family relationships, develops in the students the necessary skills and techniques required for better homemaking and family living. It helps to solve the day-to-day problems, also helps in changing the value, attitude, and interest. Home science promotes the moral, familial, and spiritual aspect of family living. It enables the person for many career opportunities, and home science has an important role to play in the society. So these all are the importance of home science, and also home science study familiarize us with household problem and the ways to solve them. And great advances have been made in the area of nutrition, textile, housing, childcare, etc. So home science enables a student to face these changes. He or she learn new managerial skills to adjust to these changes. Clear? So these all are the importance of home science. Now, what are the areas of home science? Home science deals with all aspects of home and family management. It is both an art and science. It is an art because it helps us to manage resources in a skillful manner, and it is the science because it helps us to improve your quality of life. For example, you have prepared a dish. If you present it in any aesthetic way, it becomes an art. And when you ensure that the dish is nutritive, all nutrients which required for a human being is present in that dish, so it becomes science. So home science, as I told you earlier, is multidisciplinary subject which offers knowledge of various fields. Knowledge of these fields is essential to sustain and improve one's quality of life. So home science have 5 branches basically, that is food and nutrition, clothing and textile, family resource management, extension education, and human development. These are 5 branches of home science. So food and nutrition, in food and nutrition, detailed information related to food is imparted in it. It includes food, nutrients, diseases caused by their deficiency and excess, their functions in the body, their sources, meal planning for different members of family, therapeutic nutrition, cooking methods, food preservation, etc. Clothing and textiles is about clothing. Knowledge is imparted about different kind of fibers, how clothes is made using fibers, what are the properties of different type of fiber, what are the finishes given to the clothes made from these fibers, and how to take care of them. Basically, clothing and textile, in clothing and textile you learn how to a fiber become fabric. Clear? And the process, how to finish them, how to clean them, what is the microscopic structure of that fiber, which soap or detergent is suitable for a particular fiber. All these includes in textile and clothing. Today everybody is conscious about the clothes, what he or she wears. Home science also teaches fashion designing and latest designing in clothing construction. Next is family resource management. We learn about resources available for doing household activities, proper use of resources, and how to take decisions for solving any problem. Nowadays, many manufacturers and shopkeepers cheat the consumer in different ways in order to make maximum profit. Every day new products are launched in the market about which it is very difficult to get proper information. हम confuse हो जाते हैं what to buy, what we should not to buy. So home science teaching also includes current topics like consumer education and consumer protection. We also learn about cleanliness, decoration and maintenance of the house, and how to design or architect a house. Next is human development. Before some time it is known as child development. In this, knowledge regarding to physical, mental, social and emotional development of the child, his problems and needs, family structure and family relations is imparted. Last is extension education. Study of communication and extension includes the method of imparting and expanding knowledge of all areas of home science to everyone, particularly the village pupil. It also includes teaching about women empowerment, how to make rural women financially independent, small scale industries, new techniques of agriculture, etc. So knowledge of these aspects of home science is essential to sustain and improve one's quality of life irrespective of the person, whether male or female. So this is the area of home science. Now courses offered by various universities for home science. There are so many courses offered, that diploma in home science, BSc in home science, BSc honors in home science, Bachelor of Arts, BA degree is also there for home science. In this, home science is as a one subject, and postgraduate diploma in home science there, MSc in home science. In you can do MSc in any branch. You may be done in foods and nutrition, textile and clothing. Any one branch you can take as your master's program. Postgraduate diploma in nutrition and dietetics, and you can also do PhD in home science. So there are various universities like SNDT University, Avinash Lingam University, all agriculture universities offer the BSc in home science. And I think there are in Delhi, Lady Irwin and IHE is there for post graduation and post graduation BSc and MSc home science. So what are the job prospects in home science? For a young student, home science opens a vast area of career choices, that is depending on your specialization. आपने जिसमें स्पेशलाइजेशन की है, आपने 5 ब्रांचेस अभी पढ़ी, उनमें से फूड एंड न्यूट्रिशन, टेक्सटाइल, एक्सटेंशन एजुकेशन, चाइल्ड ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट, फैमिली रिलेशन, उसके अकॉर्डिंग वर्किंग एरिया आप चूज़ करेंगे, आपको वर्किंग एरिया मिलेगा. So working as a dietitian, food scientist, textile designer, interior designer, apparel designer, family counselor, teacher, researcher, and social worker. It depends on your specialization. The hotel industry also has a high demand for the skills of a home science graduate in the area of housekeeping and food catering. A student with a master's in home science can take up teaching the subject in school and colleges. They can also work with food brands as sales representative, food analytics, and research assistant. In fact, many MNCs prefer home science candidates because their sound knowledge of chemistry, nutrition, and other sciences. Home science education equips you with the indispensable knowledge of become an entrepreneur. You can either start a school, set up your nutrition consultancy, or get into the textile manufacturing or designing. You can become a freelance designer also. So these are the job prospects in the home science. I think ये वीडियो देख के you will be able to अंडरस्टैंड होम साइंस और जो मिसकॉन्सेप्शन था होम साइंस को लेके वो आपका दूर हो गया होगा. सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब गुरु ज्ञानम. इट्स ऑल अबाउट होम साइंस. थैंक यू सो मच.